it goes a little something like.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. What is Belly doing? I work today. Right now I have I think 4 brow accent tints, which is good. I'm running a little special, so I have some of those. I'll show you guys my little schedule. So I have 4 brow accent tints. They're kind of like spread out throughout the day. It's like 11, noon, 2, and 3. So I need to get ready for the day. I'm gonna wear my brow specialist shirt today because I have all brow waxes, so why not? Link in bio to buy these if you are interested. I'm going to straighten my hair, I think, and throw on a little foundation, and then yeah, then I gotta go. While I'm getting ready, I'm gonna watch Good Girls season 4. I love that show. It's an old show, like I've been watching it for a really long time. They're on season 4.
I think I've fallen for you, and I don't know why.
What I like to do, which is like maybe a hack, not really, but I take a little moisturizer and I put that on my fingers, and then I take the moisturizer or the foundation of my choice, and I mix them together like that, and then I apply it. So then it's like a tinted moisturizer kind of, but I still get a decent amount of color. I like to do this though.
You love that summer rain in mid-July. My last name fits you better. When I'm with you, there's no pressure. I miss your worn-out sweaters. Weather couldn't compromise our love. I spent too much time on us, and I think you got me stuck on loving. You can't function. I gotta tell you all my secrets, and you know that just ain't easy for me. Oh baby, won't you come to my town? Last time around you ain't come to my house. Stay for a while, meet my mama and my family. We'll see, let's see. I think
I really quickly for my first brow wax. I don't have much time.
For you, and I don't know why.
What's up, like Chelsea?
You love that summer rain in mid-July.
Okay, I just finished my first brow wax today. I'm really happy with the results. I've made a mess. I had to put a towel down because I still haven't bought something, and I don't want to get tint on my freaking dresser. So yeah, I put a towel down, but let me pick this up a little bit. Do a little cleanup.
Mid-July. I think that we're overdue.
Also, so I think before or in between Natalie, which is my next client, my brother's girlfriend, I'm gonna do like a video on my in-depth products, like for my back bar. I don't know why I could not speak for a second, because I went over them the other day in a different vlog, but some people have been like messaging me saying you want me to go in depth, which I could do that, and like why I chose them, what made me want to use Skin Script and all that. So I think I will do that after, so between my noon and my 2:40. So yeah, I will do that, but right now I'm just waiting for Natalie to come, and I think I'm gonna look at the picture I just did of my last client's brows, and I think I'm gonna post them on my Instagram, so you guys will see those on there.
I know that that nobody has you. So is it me you're running back to? I'm not ashamed to say I'm attached to you. Oh no, no, no. Remember those days when we sang those songs in your old Mustang that your parents bought, when they split ways and you felt alone. So you have a couple people trying to make up for your broke heart, looking for love, and I think that I'm a good start. I know that you've been through a whole lot, but I have too. So baby, when you're missing me and it feels right, and I'm in your dreams like every night, I don't know why you won't give me another chance with all our years in and out.
Okay, I recorded that for you guys. Also, what do I look like that? There we go. I recorded her brow wax, so you guys will see that with this. It's probably not the best like view, but that's okay. I am gonna actually go to my friend's house right now. That's where Bentley is, and I'm gonna get some food because honestly I'm hungry, and my next one's not till 2:40, and then I'll record my products after my 3:40. So yeah, I'm gonna go home right now. What time is it? 12:03. Yeah, I have 2 hours and 40 minutes. Oh no, I'm not sitting here. Okay, I am back for my, oh, can't even see me. I am back for my 2:40. It is freezing outside, but it's supposed to be spring weather all next week, so that's what I'm thinking about. Let me set this up. I need to make more strips. Hold on.
I think I've fallen for you, and I don't know why. I don't know why you love that.
I have some people have asked me this a lot, so like it's not just for today, but people want me to do like a how I do brow accent tints, and I totally want to do one of those and like have a model and stuff. I just have to find someone who will let me do that, and I'll probably, I just did Natalie today, which kind of sucks. I did record it, I just didn't record it in depth. If I can find a model who will let me like record a YouTube video for like the entire brow process, then I will do that, and I'll show you guys how I do brow waxes and tints, like in depth, kind of like a tutorial. But yeah, I gotta find someone who'll let me do that. But for now, let me clean up this brow wax and tint right now, because I have another one. I have so many today. I have another one coming in an hour, and I think I'm going to first record the YouTube video I want to record, and I think I'm going to record that right now.
I used to take myself out on dates.
Okay, I just recorded my entire back bar and my back bar equipment. So now I'm waiting for my 3:40. And you see, look at this. Look at this. This is why I have to put a towel down. I am so sloppy, which by the way, let me flip this. But I literally am not even kidding you guys. I will ruin my dresser. I don't want to flip it actually, because this will get on it. Let's just do like this. But yeah, so now I'm waiting for my 3:40.
Open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always have my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own.
Okay, I am done for the day. I got 3 orders, so I need to pick up some stuff. I forgot to put you guys in my cabinet, and I just closed the door. But yes, I did all 4 brow wax and tints, and now I'm gonna go home, eat some dinner. Okay, so I'm back from my mom's house. I went to my mom's house after work today, and I'm now going to edit the like sit down video that I recorded, and it's like the back bar video. And what's crazy is I'll record tomorrow. But I got so many orders today. It's like, it's crazy how like business works. It's funny how it like works out. I'm like, oh, it's been a couple days, and then today I get like 8. I have to do so many tomorrow. I think I have to do 2 crew necks, 5 shirts, I think. Something like that. 6 shirts. I was just like watching them, so I didn't like actually look really hard. I have to actually get the supplies, and luckily I had a bunch of stuff in stock. Like I had some crew necks already. Actually I have to do 3 crew necks, that's right. 3 crew necks and 5 shirts. So yeah, I will be doing those tomorrow, but today I'm going to edit this vlog, or not this vlog, my video. Whoa, I'm so bright. And yeah, just relax for the rest of the night. I'm about to make the vinyl prints for my orders I have to do. I have to make a bunch, but I also have to go pick up shirts too. I have to pick up a medium mauve, 2 large blacks, and I actually think I have to pick up another medium black, actually, now that I think about it, because I only have 1. And I need 2, because I have 2 clients needing a medium black. So yeah, I need to get those. And right now I'll show you, hold on. Here's what I'm working with right now. So I have 2 brow specialists that I have to print. I have a brow threading specialist, I have a skincare junkie, I have a skin therapist, and then I also have a embrace change is what she wanted. And then I need to do the MXA Beauty Store one, the growth is uncomfortable. But those 2, growth and uncomfortable and embrace change, those are for like in a couple days. So these are the ones that are actually needing to be sent out now. And then, hold on, I need to also add therapist. And then I'm going to be printing them on my, can you see? Wait, my tan and my white and black.
But it wasn't fake. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.